Hello everyone. Today in this video we're gonna find out how to replace our picture, in this case is a pencil or our symbol or picture, replace it with something else in Microsoft Word. So how do we do it? So first of all, let's create our dummy text of 12 paragraphs, and what we're gonna be doing is that we're gonna replace every period with a pencil so that every sentence looks like it's a tip. Okay, so how do we do that? Well, of course we're going to be using the replace, but before that I want to copy this. Alright, then we open the replace and we put in the period symbol, and then here we need to put the pencil. But of course if you paste it in there and you try it, you see it will not work. Okay, there's a formatting problem, font problem, so you can't do that. So what we do is, again, instead of putting the pencil symbol, what we want to go and do is we want to go click special and then look for clipboard contents and then replace all, and then of course you see 36 replacements and it is better than before. And by the way, it's on every line. I mean, every sentence is on a new line, because if you click show and hide, then there was a paragraph mark that we also selected when I copied the pencil symbols. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.